Are you looking for high limit credit cards with Chase? I've got the perfect solution for you. My name is Credit Coach Nicole Scott, and I help entrepreneurs fix their credit and apply for funding. Guess what? We have a new Chase plug for you guys that is going to help you get approved for credit cards, business credit cards that do not report to your personal credit, with limits up to $50,000 all the way up to $100,000. Our average client is getting 50K approvals. Check out some of these approvals, and Chase has a really great welcome offer, anywhere from 12 to 18 months of 0% interest. That is perfect because these business credit cards, they use Experian to approve credit, but they do not report to your personal credit. So even if your credit is less than perfect, we are going to be covering inside of the credit community how to fix your credit and how to meet those minimum requirements that Chase is looking for in order to get you those big boy limits of anywhere from 50 all the way up to 100K. And yes, you can even double dip on the business side. Chase doesn't like to give out more than 3 cards per social number, but you can optimize your credit cards on the business side. You can even reallocate funds. If you have a couple personal cards, you can do what's called a limit transfer or reallocate the credit limit to the other cards. So if you have 2 30K cards, you can transfer like 29,000 to the other card. So that way you have one card that's a super high limit, and then close the other card. Usually close the newest card. So now you only have 1 personal credit card from Chase, and then you can work on getting 2 business credit cards with Chase. Now, Chase does have the 524 rule, where if you've applied for more than 5 revolving credit accounts in the last 24 months, then you might not qualify. So again, we're going to be covering all of these different requirements, how our rep can bypass certain things, what they're looking for, how to set up your profile, the data points, and so much more. We're going to be covering this inside of the credit community. The live call is going to be this month, but we're going to have the replay available for you guys. So even if you missed the live call, join the credit community, watch the replay. You can even get access to the rep, but you need to join the community, guys. Joining the community is going to be the first step. You're going to have access to all of the different replays inside of the community. So not only are you going to learn how to fix your credit, you're going to learn how to get funding. You're going to learn how to start a credit repair business. You're going to learn how to get business credit. And guess what? The thing that I love about Chase so much, you don't need to have all the setup done. You don't need a business website. You don't need a business email. You don't need a business address. You really just need a solid personal credit guarantor, whether that's a credit partner or whether that's you. But the most important thing, learn the requirements, learn how to get it, and get it done. Take action. Learn and earn, my friends. Comment the word community, and I will send you exclusive access to join the credit community so you can learn how to get access to high limit credit cards with Chase and other banks as well. I'll see you next time.